Alrighty guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. Today we are going to be opening up the promo card set. Has the Entei, Raikou, and Suicune, as well as two of the Sun and Moon packs. So we're going to go ahead and get on into it. Got one pack out. Alrighty, so the first one we'll pull out. Try to be careful with it. We have the Suicune holographic. Pretty decent shape. Next we have Raikou. Very good shape. Has just a little bit of whitening on the top. Other than that, actually two little whitening spots on the bottom. But other than that, good condition. We have Entei holographic. Just a little bit of whitening where it was being held in. Other than that, pretty good. And it also comes with a Metagross token. And then we have a Sun and Moon Guardians Rising pack and a Steam Siege XY pack. So let's get into the Sun and Moon one first. Let's see what we got. Our first one we have is a Gumi, Wishy-Washy, Vanillit, Clefairy. We have a Rockruff. Oh, we pulled a Rayquaza reverse holo legendary. Very nice pull. A Heliolisk, an energy card, a Whimsicott, a Beware, and a Silgu. So we'll go back to Rayquaza. Very nice pull. Don't see any kind of flaws. Centering's really good. The back is also the same. Has just one little white speck right there, a whitening from the holographic. I would say this one is graded at minimum 8.5 to 9.5. So that's pretty good. And we're going to get into the Steam Siege pack. And we'll see what we got in this one. Alrighty, and we have a Dino. We have a Hoppit. We have a Litwick. A Meowth. Really good graphics on that one. We have a Ponyta. And we have a holographic Litwick reverse holo. And also a holographic Ampharos, so we pulled 2 in that pack. Very nice. We got a Hawlucha, a Tangrowth, and a trainer card special charge. Get back to Ampharos. Looks good. Centering looks good. I don't see any manufacturer scratches or anything on it. Back is pretty good. I don't see no whitening. I would grade this at possibly 9.5, maybe even a PSA 10. So that one's good. And we have a Litwick. Very nice. I don't see no defects on the front of this. Centering is, I would say, pretty good. Give it a 9.5 on centering. And it does have one spot, so that's whitening right there, as well as a few whitening spots on that top and the one on the bottom. Other than that, it's a pretty good card as well. Appreciate you guys viewing my channel. Make sure to like and subscribe, and we should have some more videos shortly. Thanks.